Oh, oh, that was cool. What is going on, good people of the channel? It is another beautiful day here in Ohio. We actually had a bit of a rainstorm about an hour ago, actually. So I figured I'd come out to a small creek now that it's nice and beautiful outside and try and catch a few smallmouth. So that's the plan. Again, I'm gonna be starting off with the drop shot on my favorite Abu Garcia Venerate rod with just the Revo Max reel. Still got a good drag, pretty affordable. Hope you guys enjoy today's episode. And let's get to the fishing. Maybe there's a smallie or two sitting in the fast water. I don't know. Certainly worth a try, right? Oh, there's one chasing. Oh, you see that? You see that up there? Wow. That was cool. Okay. Let's cast right over to him. That should be a super aggressive fish. He should smoke this. And that's why you gotta keep your eyes peeled while you're fishing for smallmouth. Because when they get aggressive, man, do they get aggressive. That was so sick. He was chasing a bird. So we'll cast a little bit ahead of him, kind of let it just drift right into him. Oh, one of them sees it. Oh, they both see it. It should go right past them. Oh, I missed him. Okay. That's all right. That's all right. These fish will give you multiple chances. Pretty low confidence right here, guys. Not feeling super fishy. It's just too shallow. Nowhere for fish to really hold up or rest. I think they'd move through this spot pretty quick. Okay, this spot is ruined. I'm getting out and moving. There's no point fishing anymore. The dog went right into the deep water. Right where I would have caught fish. So that's sick. Thank you, dog. We are back for some more smallmouth fishing. Still got the trusty drop shot on. It got me one bite. Didn't get to fish the spot I wanted to fish because there were swimmers. Remember last video when I said how to get a tick 101? I literally pulled 2 ticks off me after walking through this grass in here. So just remember, I'm doing this for y'all. I'm doing this for y'all. Poison ivy, ticks, all for your guys' pleasure. Let's get a quick tick check. Make sure we don't have any obvious ones at least. Oh, I'm sorry, man. I didn't even see you there. I got a friend. Part of the sacrifices you make when talking to your GoPro are occasionally people will sneak up on you and you just look like you're talking to yourself. So you hate to see it. You really do. So because I ran into that man accidentally, I'm just going way downstream, create some distance from myself and him, give him all the space he needs to fish whatever he wants. It's best to just keep it non-confrontational on the water if you can. Really just get out of people's way if they're already there. He clearly beat me to the spot, so I am fine with letting him go, letting him fish that. I'll go find a new place to go hang out. And that's called river etiquette. Oh, he's on it. He's on it. He's looking at it. He's mad. I see him, guys. He's staring at it. He's staring at it, guys. He might have it right now. I'm not sure. That's the issue with being so far away. Oh, he does. He has it. There we go. That was sick. That was sick. That was so sick. Oh, wow. Wow. That was so sick. Oh, there's another one over there. Okay. Okay, there's another fish over there, so we'll give it another cast. That must be mama there now. This is probably the male that was guarding. He's doing a good job of fighting too. Come on, buddy. So I knew he was on top of it. I knew he was sitting up there. And then he literally picked it up and started swimming with it. Or I thought he did. I wasn't positive, so I started reeling in my line a little bit. And I saw that my line was in a different spot, so I set the hook. And sure enough, wow, he is a strong fish. I mean, like, my arms are getting tired. Come on, big guy. Let me put you back. Look at that, right in the corner of the mouth too. That's a good one. Look at that. That is a real nice smallie. Hook perfectly placed. Big old river smallmouth bass here in Ohio. That's what you want to see right there. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Alrighty. Let's get another release of this football. Oh, I just missed one. Just missed something. I don't know what it was. Oh, here he comes. He comes. We're on his back. Oh, here he goes. Yep. Oh, that was cool. That was cool. That was cool. That was so cool. Oh my God, just watched him eat it. Come on, buddy. Nice. Look at that smallie. All right, there's that smallmouth. Beautiful fish. I'm gonna get him back in. Keep him healthy. Off he goes. That was cool. Alrighty guys, a little update for you. We are now throwing a spook. Gonna be doing a little topwater fishing. It's just so much fun for smallies. It's worth at least 30 minutes of your day. Oh, oh, that was cool. He ate it twice. He ate it twice, and it's a bat. It's a largie. That was sick. Oh man, that was cool. It's always good to just carry pliers when you know you're going to be fishing top water. There we go. All right. Chunky little, obviously bedding. Look at that tail all beat up. Largemouth bass. First of the day. Off he goes. See you, big guy. I wonder if those bedding fish over there will eat at topwater. Oh, I think that... Oh, that was sick. That was sick. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was so awesome. Topwater smallies. Oh, easy, buddy. Easy. Okay. 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 I know. You got a mouthful of hooks. All right, let's get the pliers. Don't even want to mess with it. That is the smallmouth that I was after, that I was fishing for. Hanging out over on that far bank. Sure enough, I throw a topwater, crushes it first cast. Didn't realize that all I needed to do was throw a topwater. That's so awesome. All right. That is what you want to see, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, and that's not the release you want to see. Okay. Sorry, buddy. He's also very stuck on his bed, so... Oh, no. Oh, you son of... Let's go over there and recover that. Oh, wow. Look at all these tadpoles. Wow. That's a lot of tadpoles, y'all. Oh, they are everywhere. That's what the bass are eating right now. Oh, that was cool. Oh, that's a good one. Wow, that's a really good one. That's the best one yet for sure. Wow, he pile drove it too. Oh, and he's off right in front of me. That's okay. Quick release. That was cool. Let's give that another go right over here. Odds are there's another one that's gonna be... Oh, that one looks even better. Oh my God. Oh, that was sick. He's got one following it too. Look at that fish, man. That's all you could ask for. Beauty. Whew. Fire. We are 2 for 2 on casts down there. Both of them just smacked it while it was on the move. Oh, just missed another. I set the hook. Why did I set the hook? I know not to set the hook. There we go. I don't know what it is. I think it's a little largemouth. Yep, sure enough. Easy, big guy. Actually, it's really not little. What's going on, man? Not a bad one. There we go. A little goofy looking. I already fished them out of there. Yeah, there were, I mean, yeah, I think I've caught 8 or 9 today. I've only been out here for like an hour. I didn't fish up there or down there yet, so.
Okay, I'm probably just gonna catch a couple times and then go down to the dam.
I'm heading out soon anyway, so. Yeah. Cast wherever you want, man. You're good.
That's cool. That's the Jeep over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. I seen you on YouTube and all that.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
cool.
Cool.
Yeah, make a little video.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I'll subscribe to you.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
No problem, man.
All right. There we go. Nice little largemouth. Off he goes. Goofy little fella. Okay. We're gonna walk up, fish where this man was fishing real quick, and then we're gonna call it a day. Oh God, I missed him. Man, that was instant. That was instant. Oh, he missed. All right, let's get back in there. He missed. That was a good fish. All these bites, guys, are coming from right off of the wall. Like, I have to basically hit the wall, and then I'll get a bite. That's a fish. Come on. There we go. There he is. Whew. That was awesome. You gonna jump one more time? There we go. Ooh, pull a little drag. The whole show. That was just too good a spot for no fish to be sitting. Oh my God, what a perfect ambush point for a smallie to be sitting. Look at that. A great fish. Yeah, I'm gonna need the pliers. Look at that. That's a tank. Beauty. Beauty. Nice Ohio smallmouth right there. That is exactly what you want to see. Oh, God, he soaked my nuts. Alrighty, guys. Well, that is a wrap for today's episode. Thank you again for following along. Subscribers have been up, views have been up. Basically everything on the channel has been up. Really appreciate it. It means the world to me. I'm not really doing it for the money or for the views, but it is cool to see you guys viewing the channel more as I'm putting more time into these videos. Just shows that the time that I'm putting in is definitely worth it. So thank you guys for continuing to follow along. Hope you guys have enjoyed the last few videos, and hopefully the next one will be a banger. So thank you for following along, and I will catch you guys on the next episode of Life Outdoors.